Hello, this is Ryan with Bolster, and in this short video I'll be teaching you how to use the dimension box and subsequent tab. This is a nice trick to use if you have a lot of items and you don't have to scroll through the entire estimate or proposal to install or input certain dimensions and measurements. In this case, we're doing flooring and it's priced per square foot. So we only need a dimension box that is a square footage or area based dimension box. So what we'll do is we will hover over the triangle that says dimension. This opens up a bunch of dimensions that we have in our Bolster library. So in this case, because it is square footage and area for the item flooring, we're going to go to the area tab. This is going to open up a number of boxes that we could use, and we can scroll down for other ones as well. This one here, total floor area, might be one that is useful to us in this scenario, so we will click on that one. And as you can see now, the tab for floor area is down here on the left. If we type in the dimension of this floor area, happens to be, for example, 55 feet, click on the proposal and it's linked together, the same dimension. This can be closed down if need be, or open back up. Thank you.